Okay, we're at 4120 Free Bird, and you've got a lovely driveway that's got pavers and a desert landscaping, and all you got to do is stay on top of this tree. So there's very little effort involved in maintaining the property. You got nice colored, multiple toned colors in the exterior. And here you have a formal sitting room or a potential office. And here is your powder room. So pretty darn big. And here you have your Harry Potter closet, and you can hide all kinds of stuff down there. And you've got your main living room or living area, combination dining room, and it's got interesting wallpaper. It had me fooled. And here you have your kitchen. You've got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a very spacious pantry. Tile flooring. And then outside you also have some more pavers, which is really nice. And again, very little or to nothing to maintain. So, nice big backyard. And I guess a little too small to play volleyball, but you can do something with that, I guess. Play like you're on the beach. And here we have your 2-car garage, and there is a water softener. I don't know if you can see that, but we don't guarantee that those will work during the lifetime of the lease. Let's head on upstairs. Here's your primary bedroom. It's got wood laminate flooring, lots of light, and you got a massive primary bathroom, 2 different sinks. Pantry area, and a nice sized walk-in closet. And a linen closet. Here's your washer and dryer, and you got a nice little countertop for folding clothes and so on. Bedroom number 2 is configured for an office, but we can take care of that if you need us to take care of that. Bedroom number 3 also has a lot of nice light. This is your guest bath. You got granite countertops, dual sinks, tile flooring, and a shower tub combination. And then finally, you have a bonus room or upstairs living area or potential office. Welcome to your new home.